In this episode, I'm going to go into depth on a 3-video YouTube funnel for lead generation. This is the ultimate strategy for businesses to use to generate leads on YouTube. Now, most other video funnels out there work if you get enough views and you're going to generate low quality leads. So in this episode, I'm going to teach you a 3-video funnel that generates very high quality leads. You don't have to pay for any ad traffic, and you're going to get views both from YouTube and from Google. I'm excited to map this out. I'm excited for you to see this. Let's dive right in. All right, so let's map this out here. You see that we've got 3 different videos. This is a leaf video. This is a lead magnet video. And this is your promo video. Okay, so all 3 of these videos can be hosted or can reside on YouTube, but people don't watch this video on YouTube. This video is going to be on your website or on a specific landing page, and it's going to be unlisted, okay? So these 2 videos are on YouTube. In fact, this one is going to be watched by people who've never heard of you before. These 2 videos are pretty similar in that you're delivering valuable content, you're not selling anything. This works to really build a relationship. So both these videos are relationship builders. There's 2 main differences to these videos. One is where traffic comes from. The other is the call to action. Where do you send them? So for a leaf video, these are people who've never heard of you before. They go to Google, they go to YouTube, and they type in a question. I have other episodes where I talk about my tree analogy and my leaf strategy, so you'll know what a leaf video is by watching that episode. I'll link to it right up here. So each of these videos have a built-in audience. This video doesn't necessarily, you're not typically using a leaf title for this one episode, but the audience that's going to watch this episode are from the recommendations of the leaf videos. So you might have 50 leaf videos that the call to action is, hey, go watch this video next. Now, the call to action on your lead magnet video is you're going to give away a free gift. We call that a lead magnet. It might be a free digital download like a PDF, or it could be a mini course. It could be a free plus shipping book. So the call to action here is, hey, I've got a free gift for you. Click the link below. When you click that link, it takes you to a landing page. And on that landing page, you might have a promo video talking about the value of that free gift. So let's say your free gift is a mini course. At the end of the lead magnet video, you'll tell people about that mini course, and then you'll tell them to click the link. They'll go to the landing page. There'll be a video there explaining the value of this mini course and the benefits that they will get if they complete this mini course. That video is only going to be a minute long, and there's going to be opt-in information about how to do that mini course. So they find you through search by asking questions. We know that they're your target audience. They then watch another video where they get a free gift. They come to the landing page and they join the email list. Now, depending on your business, depending on funnels and things that you've experimented in the past, you know what lead magnets are going to work for you. There's a lot of options and you might want to experiment. So with one lead magnet video, you might have an opt-in for a mini course like I suggested. But for another lead magnet video, you might recommend that they schedule an appointment with you. You might have a link to your calendar, or you might have a purchase. Now this would be a small purchase. You might have a free mini course, but you might have a $20 mini course, right? So just something small if you're recommending it directly from YouTube. All right, I spared no expense for you guys. Look at all these leaf videos that I drew. I want to emphasize the point that you're going to be making tons and tons of leaf videos that feed into the same lead magnet video. So when you narrow down the branch that you want to dominate, that branch might have 40 different leaves on it. So you're going to be filming 40 different leaf videos that funnel into one lead magnet video. Now, how does this compare to most video marketing campaigns? Well, what they do is they create a promo video. Now, promo videos you do want to put a lot of effort and energy into. You want these videos to be really polished. This is the type of video that you want to script. The video that's on the homepage of my website, BeTheHeroStudios.com, that took 5 months to create that one video. It was a pretty big budget. I hired another company to help me make that video. It turned out great. I love that video. Okay, so you put more work into these videos. Now, what most people do though, is they send paid traffic to their promo video. So they don't have any funnel or any strategy like this. There's no relationship building. They just pay to send as much traffic as possible to their video. Do they generate sales? Typically, yeah. It's very low converting, and the leads that you generate from this are very low quality leads. The advantage of doing a campaign like that is you can iterate. You can test and tweak and refine your funnel. You can test one page against another. You can test two ads against each other and see which one performs. But eventually, when you create something like this, you can completely turn off your ad campaign, no longer send paid traffic to this, because this type of a strategy is going to generate you referral quality leads. These are also evergreen. Once you put up each one of these videos, they're going to stay there for years, and they're going to keep sending traffic to your lead magnet video, which is going to keep generating you leads. Now, why do they produce such better quality leads? Well, people along this process don't feel like they're being sold to. They search for you. They found your video here, and as they're watching these videos, they're getting their question answered. And they're making eye contact with you in the video, and it's like a relationship of trust is being built. So by the time they go to your website, they want to know what you sell. They want to know what you offer. They're expecting to see your branding, your logo. They're expecting to see promo videos, and it's been a pleasant experience. They already know you. They already trust you. And so after this step, when they have a conversation with you, these people want to work with you. They've already got their credit card in hand, just wondering, what is the program? I want to look at this another way to really help you internalize this strategy. The purpose of these videos is each different. This video is a marketing video. Even though both of these will build a relationship, this is the video that's going to be in front of people who have never heard of you before, so that's true marketing. Otherwise, if it's people who've already watched a video from you, or if they're people who are on your email list or something, they've already seen you somewhere, but now they're watching another video, that's nurturing them. And nurturing them is great, but you just got to know the difference between marketing and nurturing. And obviously promo videos, the purpose there is to convert them, whether it's to convert them from a browser to a buyer. Okay, so throughout this video, I've talked a lot about leaf videos. I've actually got a 5-ingredient formula. Let me show you this really quick. We've got choose your target branch, film every leaf, film one lead magnet video, which now you understand, which you're going to have 20 plus leaf episodes depending on the size of the branch. We talk about the ingredients of a good talking head video and how many episodes you should launch depending on your goals. How many branches do you want to dominate at the end of the year? Is it just 1 or 2? Or is it 7 to 15? I really want you to understand this full strategy. And so I've created a mini course. It's called the YouTube Lead Gen Blueprint. This course has a cost. It's only $17. If you go to youtubeleadgen.net, you'll be able to learn the ins and outs of this entire strategy and how to put this 3-video formula into practice, how to build those leaf videos. You'll know exactly what to do to turn your YouTube channel into a lead generation machine for your business. Again, it's just $17. Go to youtubeleadgen.net. I'll see you there.